What's up, guys? Welcome back to American Torque. I'm Connor, and today we're going to be doing an airbox cleaning on my ATV. So without further ado, let's get started. Today we will be performing this on my Player Sportsman 110. I will show you guys where to locate it and how to clean it to make sure that your ATV can run in tip-top shape. So the airbox is just under the seat here. So I'm going to show you guys where to find the release so you guys can undo your seat and gain access to the airbox. So your seat release is just under your rear fairing right here. So all you're going to do is pull that lever like that, and now your seat is open. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the seat off just like that. So now that you have your seat off, this will reveal the airbox right here. So to access your air filter right under its housing, all you're going to do is take your 4 clips off here, 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 and here. So bam, 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 and voila. So there are 2 components to your filter here. There is this foam part, and then here is your metal screen. For your metal screen, you could probably just maybe use some soap and some water, let it dry, and then this is good to go. But alright guys, once you got your air filter, inspect it for any tears. If it does have any, you are going to want to replace it. They go for roughly around $10. And then if it doesn't have any tears, go ahead, grab some mild detergent and some water, wash it thoroughly, and then once that's done, let it completely dry, and then apply some air filter oil. Once you got that, pop it back into place like so, and then you are good to go. Once that's done, grab your housing top, put it on just like so, and then you're going to attach those 4 clips. They can be a bit of a pain to get. Boom. 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 Oh. And boom. And then it is good to go. Alright guys, once that's done, grab your seat, place it on, push down to make sure it is secure, and then you guys are good to go. So get back to riding. Go have some fun with your friends, guys. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.